Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another brand new video. I hope you guys are all doing well. So in this video, right, I want to talk about cryptocurrency, of course. Okay, you guys can read by the title, right? Yes, it's true guys. The cryptocurrency market will eventually absolutely collapse. It's coming guys, right? And I know for the past, few days, okay, this is all legit. This is all I've been talking about, right? I've been just talking about, the next crypto crash, because I'm telling you this right now, the next crash, okay, is going to be a major collapse, right? The cryptocurrency will, eventually collapse, okay? Bitcoin is going to drop, Ethereum, okay, is going to drop, and most altcoins, right, in the cryptocurrency market will eventually drop, okay? So, guys, listen, okay? I want, the reason why I keep making these videos for the past few days, right, keep giving you guys a little heads up, giving you guys little warnings every now and then that yes, okay, another cryptocurrency crash is the fact coming its way, okay? And I feel like I need to always give you guys a heads up, right, to pretty much tell you guys to not stress, okay, to not worry, okay? Because for some reason guys, okay, a lot of us that are in fact invested into the cryptocurrency market, not even just cryptocurrency, but even for example the stock market, right, gold or silver, right, if you aren't in fact invested into pretty much any of these markets or assets, do not worry too much, okay? Just don't think short term guys, always think long term, right? I really want to help you guys, okay, to not worry, because for some reason a lot of us that are in fact invested right into these markets and these assets like to worry, okay? And when this crash does eventually come, and when it actually does in fact happen, a lot of us like to panic sell, and that is the wrong move guys. Never panic sell. It's literally, okay, the worst thing you can do, okay? It really is guys. Every time, okay, the markets are in fact crashing, for some reason, okay, our human brains, okay, operate telling us to panic sell, to press that sell button at a loss, right? You're selling at a loss guys, right? You should never panic sell guys, okay? Never. Please think long term with your investments guys. Don't think short term. Always think long term guys, right? For example, okay, I am in fact investing into cryptocurrency. This is literally the only market and asset that I am in fact investing in, right? I don't invest into the stock market. I don't invest in gold or silver, right? I personally just invest into cryptocurrency so far, right? Obviously, when I'm older, right, obviously want to start investing into, real estate, maybe start my own business and whatnot, you know what I mean? But as of right now, guys, cryptocurrency, okay, is the only thing right now, okay, the only market or asset, right, whatever you want to call it, I am in fact investing in as of right now, okay? It's the only thing I'm really investing in, okay? And, I always tell you guys this, right? For example, Bitcoin, right? I'm always investing into Bitcoin and of course Ethereum. We can't forget about Ethereum, right? I'm always investing into these two cryptocurrencies, okay, long term. I'm always thinking long term. Every time I invest my money, every time I dollar cost average into Bitcoin or Ethereum or, cryptocurrency in general, right? Whatever I'm investing in, right, altcoin wise, because, I do in fact don't just invest into Bitcoin and Ethereum. I also invest into, almost 50 different altcoins, okay? I'm always thinking long term with my investments, guys. Like, I'm always thinking I am doing this for long term, right? With the money that I am investing into Bitcoin and into cryptocurrency in general, right? I am doing this for my future self. I don't care about short-term gains. I care about long-term gains, right? And you guys have to understand, dollar cost averaging, this is obviously a great strategy to use. A lot of investors do in fact use this strategy, right? And obviously a lot of people have made a lot of money using this strategy, right? Dollar cost averaging, DCA, okay? And, with dollar cost averaging, okay, you always think long-term with your investments, pretty much, you know what I mean? You always think long-term. So, a lot of people use the strategy and they have made a lot of money. They have made, life-changing money, and they have became really wealthy and of course millionaires, right? Just using dollar cost average, okay? So, I'm telling you guys right now, always think long term, do not panic sell, okay? And a lot of you guys, okay, have been asking me, right? I see the comments and you guys have been, asking me, right? And it's a great question. Should I sell now, right? Because I've been telling you guys, right, many times, that yes, this is not the bottom for cryptocurrency. You know what I mean? It's going to get even worse, guys, right? If you guys thought that 2022 was a bad year for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, just wait till you see next year. Wait till you guys see what happens next year in 2023 for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. It's going to get even worse, guys. So a lot of you guys are in fact, asking me the question, what should I do now, right? It's going to get worse. This is not the bottom, it's going to dip even more. So should I sell now, right? What should I do? So personally, guys, I don't think you guys should sell now. Why? Well, because we have already, lost some money. Well, we didn't technically lose money, guys. You only technically lose money, guys, if you press that sell button, because you sell at a loss, right? So let's just say, for example, I bought Bitcoin at $40,000 and Bitcoin right now is currently at 20K, right? Yes, I am down from my investments from buying Bitcoin when it was at 40K, right? So I bought Bitcoin at 40K, let's just say, and it's down 20K right now because Bitcoin, as I'm filming this video, is currently at like $19,000. So let's just say it drops to 20K. So I lost 20K, right? I lost 20K. Now, if I sold my Bitcoin, okay, at a 20K loss, then yes, technically I lost, right? But if I didn't press that sell button, guys, and I am down from my investments, okay, from buying Bitcoin at 40K and it's at 20K now, right? Technically, I didn't lose money, guys, because I am still holding, you know what I mean? Because eventually, Bitcoin will eventually go back up to $40,000 and then it will eventually, go higher than that. So I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say here. To never panic sell. Always think long term with your investments. Don't worry what Bitcoin, okay? Don't worry too much about, what Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is doing short term. What Bitcoin is doing, daily, what it's doing every week, what it's doing every month, what's it doing, you know what I mean? Like every few months, right? Don't worry about that, guys. Okay, don't look at your portfolio too much because I'm telling you this right now, Bitcoin is really volatile. Same with cryptocurrency. This is a really volatile market, right? Every single day, guys, it goes up and down. You know what I mean? Even weeks, it will go up and down. Some days, it's pretty boring. Sometimes it will just consolidate, right? Where it just literally goes on a straight line, right? And it will just do nothing, right? So, guys, you guys have to understand that Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, it's a really volatile market, okay? And I'm telling you guys right now, a crash will in fact happen. You guys have to understand, we are in fact in recession. A lot of people, I just don't get it. Like, a lot of people think, okay, like we are not in recession yet. Guys, we are. Okay, I just want to put it out there, okay, for the people out there that don't know yet. Yes, we are already in recession, right? The whole economy is not looking too good at all, guys, right? Interest rates, okay, rising and whatnot. We've got the war that's going on, right? All these things, guys, is going to cause the markets to crash. So I'm telling you guys right now, seeing Bitcoin at $19,000, okay, this is not the bottom. I told you guys many times, I see Bitcoin going back down, $17,000, $15,000, $14,000, $12,000, even potentially even lower, right? But I don't see Bitcoin going $10,000. I just don't see that happening, right? I honestly see, the Bitcoin bottom maybe around, $12,000 max, maybe even $11,000. But nowadays, who realistically really knows? You know what I mean? What can happen at this point? Anything can happen, guys. Okay, we could see Bitcoin go back down $10,000, maybe even lower than 10K, right? I'm being dead serious. So we obviously know right now we are in fact in a bear market. There's different cycles, right? Last year in 2021, we were in fact in a bull market. That's when Bitcoin was in fact the best performing asset, right? It reached 2 new all-time highs, not just 1 but 2. Okay, and then obviously this year Bitcoin and the whole crypto market absolutely tanked. Okay, it crashed. You know what I mean? So there's different cycles to this, guys, right? There's a bull market and a bear market, and right now, guys, we are in fact in a bear market. Okay, so there's different cycles to this. And I'm really just making this video just to, warn you guys, okay, and give you guys a little heads up to not worry too much about what Bitcoin and what cryptocurrency is doing short term. Always think long term, guys. Always think long term with your investments, okay, into cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. Now, a lot of people, personally, I know a lot of people as well that do in fact, day trade, okay? They do in fact day trade with, Bitcoin or Ethereum or any other altcoin, right, with cryptocurrency. They do in fact day trade, right? To be a day trader, guys, okay, you need to know, what you're actually doing, because you can make a lot of money, but yes, there's that risk as well. You can actually lose a lot of your money, most of your money, you know what I mean? If you actually don't know what you're doing, you know what I mean? You can still day trade with Bitcoin right now, you know what I mean? Like you really can. Like for example, right? If you short your Bitcoin, right, from let's just say a few months ago, then yes, you would have been in absolute profit right now, you know what I mean? Because Bitcoin absolutely dipped, right? You got to actually read the charts. You got to look at the charts every single day, okay? And every single day during those 24 hours, you got to look at the charts like 20 hours a day, pretty much. You know what I mean? You always got to look at the charts to when to take profits and whatnot, when to buy and when to sell, right? To take your profits. Okay, so being a day trader, guys, it's hard, right? We all know that. So that's why, guys, personally, I'm more of a investor. Okay, I'm not a huge fan of day trading. I'm more of a investor, guys. Right, I invest for long term. Okay, I pretty much buy and hodl. You guys can clearly see that, right? Buy and hodl. Hold on for dear life. Hold on for long term, right? Because I'm saying is right now, you can make the most money. You can make life-changing money, through long-term investments, right? This is not financial advice. Obviously, you always do your own research. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. None of my videos, okay, including this one, is financial advice at all. Always do your own research, guys. But that being said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I'm telling you guys right now, a collapse is going to happen. So personally, guys, I wouldn't sell. Okay, I would not sell. Don't panic sell, guys, because let's be honest here, guys, we are all at a loss right now. You know what I mean? At a loss. Okay, like yeah, like I wouldn't say loss, but down from your investments. You know what I mean? I hope you guys didn't press that sell button. I hope you guys didn't sell at a loss. I hope you guys didn't panic sell. Okay, technically you didn't lose, guys, because you didn't panic sell. You didn't sell at a loss yet, right? Hopefully. Okay, personally, guys, yes, I'm obviously down from my investments with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Okay, I am. Okay, but I'm not stressing. And I told you guys as many times, I want Bitcoin and crypto to crash so I can accumulate more and I can buy more at a cheaper price. Okay, and it's already dipped, you know what I mean, from Bitcoin's previous all-time highs to where it is now. It's dropped over 70%, which is a significant drop. Ethereum is even worse, right? It's dropped over 80% from Ethereum's all-time highs to where it is now. That's pretty much 80% drop. So Ethereum has dropped way more than Bitcoin. Okay, and that's why, guys, I've been buying and accumulating more Ethereum than Bitcoin, right? But I'm still buying both 100%. So guys, personally, I would not sell now. There's no point. Think about it. You know what I mean? We are down from our investments. What's the point at selling at a loss? Okay, I would not sell, guys. Honestly, if I were you guys, okay, like I said again, you guys can do whatever you want. Okay, this is not financial advice at all, but personally, this is what I'm doing, guys. Yes, like I said, I am in fact down from my investments. Personally, I'm not selling. I'm not panic selling. I'm not stressing at all. I'm being dead serious, guys. Like, I'm not stressing at all. I'm actually happy, right? Life, it's cool, right? I'm not stressing at all, guys. You know what I mean? I just feel this is completely normal to me. You know what I mean? I'm just used to it, I guess, right? For the people out there that are in fact, scared and stressing, you guys are probably like new investors, right? You're not used to this yet. So listen up, okay? There's no point selling right now, guys. Okay, at all. Personally, this is what I'm doing. I am simply not selling, okay, at all. None of my investments, okay, I'm not selling any of them, right? I'm not panic selling nothing. I am simply buying more. I am dollar cost averaging, and I am hodling. I am holding, guys. Why? I'm waiting for the next bull market. You guys understand, right? When it goes up, when we have a bull run, when we run back up to the bull market, when we are in fact in a bull market, that is when, guys, you want to have an exit strategy. That's when you want to take your profits. Okay, when we are in fact crashing and we're in the reds, okay, we're having red days, it's dropping, you know what I mean, it's collapsing, right? And we are in fact in a bear market. That is pretty much, guys, when you want to buy. When it's dipping, it's simple, guys. When it's dipping, that's when you want to buy it. When it's pumping, that's when you want to take profits and sell, right? Simple. I'm pretty sure we all know this, guys. So right now, guys, don't panic sell. Please don't sell. So for all the people asking me right now, should you sell now? No, don't sell now, guys. There's no point. It's most likely right now you are in fact, down from your investments. There's no point selling at a loss, guys. Okay, then yes, if you press that sell button, you sell at a loss, then yes, you lost money. But if you're just down from your investments and you're holding still, you're hodling, right? You didn't lose any money. Think about it, guys, right? So that being said, guys, I hope you guys are in fact patient, okay, with this, right? Investing into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. It's all about patience. There's different cycles to this, guys. Okay, there really is. So be patient. The next bull market will in fact, come soon. But I'm telling you this right now, in the next few months, okay, and of course the year 2023, we will in fact see Bitcoin and of course the cryptocurrency market absolutely collapse. So be ready for that. Be prepared. Please do not panic. Just relax. Okay, don't look at your portfolio too much. And when the next crash does in fact happen, do me a favor and buy and accumulate. Not financial advice. Always do your own research, but it's more of a risk not buying. Let me just tell you that right now. It's more of a risk not buying when it's collapsing. Okay, the next crash, the next collapse, it's more of a risk to not take that opportunity to accumulate, to invest, and to buy, guys. It's more of a risk. I'm being dead serious. Not financial advice. So, that being said, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Please give this video a huge thumbs up and, of course, subscribe. Let's get to 3,000 subscribers. I really would appreciate that. And I catch you guys all in my next video. Have a blessed day, guys.